DJ, be like say you never smoke. Oh. Play music or person wey no well, you dey play the one person wey dey sick. Oh, go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, very good evening to each and every one of you. For those of you now who they meet me the first time, my name is Ebobon. I make normal people laugh for a living. So if you are not normal, no expect how to make you laugh. So ladies and gentlemen, this country, don't read, no work. Don't let anybody deceive you. No work for this country. My pastor don't preach out for sure. Say anything you they do for Nigeria now, try add another work join now. Now make her now, daytime now, don't they learn how to barb hair. Shakara don't open beer parlor. To support the ministry also. You know say you need to double your hustle. I fear for my area for Aguda, where I see policeman. They do NEPA work. Help NEPA carry ladder with uniform. I say, officer, now the policeman come they sing for me. Allah, ye double your hustle. No time for work, but in this country don't read, no work again. Not let anybody deceive you. Now, with the way this country they go now, if armed robber can rob you, and they tell people anywhere I go, if you feel see money, give them now, they go pray for you. Armed robber don't come rob my neighbor for Aguda. Big boy, the guy just came back from the state. They break into the guy's house. Bend up! Your money or your life. The guy said, I beg, go and not kill anybody. Big boy, the guy stood up. Armed robber said, where did they go? The guy said, I won't go bring money. Come. They say, talk truth. The guy walk out, open wardrobe, brought out 430,000. See where armed robber they pray for the guy. Say, my brother, God go bless you. Since we dey rob body recession, we never see 80,000 thief for person house once. So inside house like this. As they pray, the guy stood up again. They say, we talk and you get plan. You won't go call police. The guy say, no, I won't go bring more money. I fear when everybody tell the guy, say, no, my brother, we are okay with this one. May not bless all be thief. Leave that one for another set. Oh, but this country don't read. Don't let anybody deceive you. We did church the other day for worry where our pastor they shout, children of God, today something will happen. Don't never say today we shout, today. Now one mama laugh for back after like 3 minutes. Pastor, something that happened. No, pastor say yes, what's that? Say don't take my phone. This country don't read. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for this recession now, if you do wedding, you do any celebration, make sure say your security tight. If not, you go feed the whole Lagos. Not be joke. Now, the Lagos, that the recession, I know say some people they eat weekend for party. You they do marriage, now only Yoruba men go join where you are Shebikon. They don't know what they do, they sit down for back. And Yoruba men can get respect. As usher, they share the food, or they call usher. Mommy! Lata rob your t-shirt, and all you rob your baby. The usher go come say, but look at all you say, now person eat a wedu and God do wrong go. That person go eat, use your baby do serviette. But I love Benin people. Benin people that they are so bad talk by him. Now old women they go shop for party. I love Benin with passion. Oh, one thing I love about Benin, only Benin now they find trouble. Now when the way this country they go now, only Benin you stand, person go slap you for back. Blah! You say, okay, what you do? Say, why your shadow? Why your shadow go they match my shadow? When you stand, let your shadow they one side. Benin old women go just come your party, eat like 4 plates of rice. I don't go MC one wedding for Benin for Yoko. Everything where they eat, now one mama, everything where they share, now she they show. Then they share fried rice and chicken. See the way mama they call the usher here. I said, they get to my long go. They bring mama collect 4 plates. After say she wants share give people, only she hit the 4. Rice go high. I got the one that won't follow mama eat her. Only mama shop everything. Clean her mouth, drink water, cut her wrapper. I got the one that where the food enter. One fear now where they share banga soup and starch. Mama stand on top share, they call the usher. I said, mama, you go for it. Say that they walk out. Well, you're right out. They don't bring, mama don't eat. She don't know where she use put the shop salad. She said that egusi soup. She got the complaint. I said, mama, not be. She said, shut up your mouth. You know she's one of the shop where the egusi soup for here, not the. Benin men like drink, oh, walk. The mama come with her husband. Every drink wey dem dey share, na the mama husband dey drink. They bring wine, champagne, spirit, vodka, everything. Small time come dey call me MC lare. This juice wey I dey drink, I no understand am. When I go look wetin baba dey call juice, na money fresh. He don drink 2 bottles. Na me dey tell am say, hey pa, na hospital you dey see so, UPTH, na soap you dey drink see so. Oh, waka. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me say this, then I leave. We just say more complain. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I just came back from the state when I see the way Oyibo men dey preach. Oh God, Oyibo men preach with swag. To listen to preaching, God don't agree. Not be our Nigerian pastors. I don't know they can use different thing. Only Nigerian pastors don't tell say, hey, young man, that is popping that champagne. Overhead. As you are popping it, so you will celebrate in Jesus' name. See the way the guy shout, oh man, you don't say don't high, well, don't suffer for the country. The recession there. No vision come only for Nigeria. Pastor said, nah, face your neighbor, make sure you are holding your problem by faith. You can't define your problem. Say no, face somebody, hold your problem. 2 people go do one like this. Say now, carry your problem and throw it away. People call the shout for social, for Benin. We carry our problem, we throw it away. We carry our intermediate, we throw it away. 2 Benin boys from upper, the John Royal Shots, go carry all 3 boys. We carry our problem. Pastor say, hey, man, I bring that problem come. That one not doing anything, the shots in either. Oh, I love Benin. Hotel where they lost people for Benin, now they thief my charger. For inside the hotel, no, now original charger, not be by one. Until they laugh, charger. I go police station now. When I reach station, I saw the shot from outside of the station. I call the hear noise. No say they don't thief DPO phone for inside station. And a constable thief for inside station. DPO they shout, no play with me. Anywhere you know say you had before. For the people before shop police, I be had rubber before. Don't. If you know what, man. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much. I love you guys.